It's tangling with your hair. Like, I never had this problem with hair.
Yeah. Okay. Writer.
All this money, money, money coming to me. No handouts, I really had to do it for me. Watch me work, watch me work, watch me work. Get out the dirt. All this money, money, money coming to me. No handouts, I really had to do it for me. Watch me work, watch me work, watch me work. Get out the dirt. You ain't hater, but you never gonna stop me. Yellow clout, really can't block me. Pipe down like a D appointment. I'm high class and you're just real annoying. Cutting people off like.
Anyway, hi, good day, guys. So my daughter's in town. Say hi to them feet. Hi. Yes, she come and she's like, Mommy, can you braid my hair for me, please? Can you give me a style? So I'm using this today. This is what I use. Pick it up on my beauty supply store. And she's gonna get gold, pink, and purple. Hope you guys enjoy this one as well. She's assisting me with pulling it out. Don't forget to go down below, like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff. I appreciate it. This is all the baby hair she left out, guys. Trust me, this is more than baby hair, but
leave it alone.
Leave it alone. Right. So you say you want it straight back, right?
Yeah.
Cool. So I hope you guys enjoy this one. You're probably gonna hear it over some music. You know, I take you guys everywhere, so why not this one as well? Okay, let me get into braiding mode. You say you want it straight back. And I'm just going to feed the hair in. Open this to me, baby. There we go. So some of this video, guys, going to be sped up. Trust me, it's going to be sped up. So I'm using this.
With my nails.
She did her nails. You like it?
No, because it's not tight.
You want it tighter?
I like it.
Oh my God.
I'm sorry.
We're going to lose a lot of hair, baby girl.
You have like packets.
I know you don't want to use all my packets.
You have like 4 packets.
Listen,
we'll be fine.
She is a mess, guys. Listen, they oftentimes say that. Don't do your children here.
For real, because we have no qualms of saying anything. We have no qualms of saying not to say.
Okay, let's go tighter.
You know that too. You know how many times Isaiah started like...
He is the worst.
He's like, no, go up, go down. No, you're not doing it right. At least I'm kind of nice about it. Like, if you can you make it tighter?
Got it?
Yeah.
Sure. That's why some people just turn you guys away from the mirror.
So then you must do the whole thing again?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, exactly. Turn me away from the mirror. I won't tell you that I don't like. I can't see that.
You can't
and
see
then
it.
after you're done, I'm like, oh yeah, it's not tight though. So I do the whole thing again. Yeah.
Got you.
Yeah.
So it makes sense.
Yeah.
To leave you facing in the mirror. I thought you wanted that nice big bellowing type of look.
No.
You don't want that nice big bellow.
Who wants that?
You.
No.
How long you gonna leave it in?
I'll try to leave it in for a week. I'll try to leave
I hate this here. This here tangles.
I'll try to leave it in for a week. Want me to hold it?
Yeah. It's tangling with your hair.
I
Like,
see.
I never had this problem with hair. So guys, this is a new hair that I used, and the B is tangling. Look at this.
Looks like I have matted up here.
It's tangling. Probably it's good for dreadlocks.
Probably.
Cause you know dreads, you need dreads to tangle. Yeah. I don't want to let this go because I'm so tight up here.
It is nice. Should I get dreadlocks one day?
I could do one dread for you today.
What do you mean one dread?
One dread hanging here.
No.
You could cut it off.
Cut it off.
Comb it out, I mean. This.
You see?
This here is tangling. Guys, I have to show you still. We still making the cornrow, but the hair is tangling. Don't buy this here. Don't buy this here. I pick it up at the beauty supply, but I have used like the other Mali and the other type of hair, and it never tangled this one. This here, ooh.
Is your first time buying
Maybe
this
this is like if you're gonna use like just for a braid, like a, you know?
Yeah, like it wraps around your hair.
Yeah, I'm telling you, this
Or
hair would
even,
be this hair would be really good to make dreads.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, yeah. But for anything else, oh, child, don't buy this hair. Look how it's tangling.
Yeah.
I did cornrows. You know how many years I did braids? This is never how I
Even
never.
the other one that we bought was
The green one.
Yeah.
That was Mali.
Oh, it was?
Yeah. For whatever reason, this here have a coarser. I don't know what it is, but I don't like it. Not fond of it.
And it should be easier from
Yeah.
bottom because it's just a regular braid now.
Yeah. But to connect it up ahead, ooh, Charlie. To connect it up ahead.
You got half. You still got half my head left.
Yeah.
I don't know.
See, look at how it's tangling on its own self. Look.
It says tangle free though.
Yeah. It said tangle free on the back.
Yeah, it says it right there.
This is not tangle free. Look at that.
Don't lie.
Pull it right there for me. Just hold this piece. Pull it. There you go. Tangling. But I did it.
Yeah, you did. Got my nails done.
Look. Again, this, hey.
You're not getting this again, huh?
Huh?
You're not getting this again.
No. But I think it would do good for dreads.
Are you want pink dreads?
No, I'm good.
That's what I'm saying. You want pink dreads.
Or you know what would look good in it too? If you braid somebody here, have short hair.
Oh,
Box
so
braids
like
or something. It's just
chicken.
about that much inches in it. You could use this type of hair.
RJ.
But if you have a lot of hair,
RJ,
yeah.
you want this?
If you have a lot of hair, I would not recommend this.
Yeah.
I would not.
Because it tangles onto your own hair.
This is ridiculous.
And my hair is not even like that strong of a curl either. It's not like a 4C curl or nothing. It's like
shouldn't be tangling this much.
Ooh, look at the way it falls.
So you like it here, baby girl?
Like cute, makes me feel luxurious.
Make you feel what?
Luxurious.
Luxurious or exotic?
No. Very much American. It's giving very much American.
You're not getting Caribbean vibes?
No.
Oh.
Not at all.
Like chop, chop, chop. Like I could go by the beach now?
Not chop, chop, chop.
You're not getting that vibe?
No.
Sure.
I was
Listen.
not getting that vibe at all. No.
You're not getting that vibe.
I was getting
I love this here. This here. For braiding.
this.
Love it.
Amazing.
Yeah. You gonna buy one? Yeah? You gonna buy one?
Shine and Gem conditioning gel. Edge hold.
Yeah.
Extra hold. It's the extra
It's
hold.
so good.
It
So,
bounces.
so.
It's
I love it.
good.
I love it. When braid more, that's good like that.
You could go a little more.
I'm not going
Oh,
over.
so
Sure.
so why do you ask?
Because I wanted to show you how beautiful it can look if it just stayed like that. That's why I asked. Anyway,
More
guys,
beautiful as well.
I hope you guys like this little tutorial, a little video, a little braided style.
It was
So
not a
then show them.
It was not.
It was
tutorial.
yeah, a little braided style. Yep, you're all in the camera. Hope you guys like it. Go on down. I oftentimes say like, comment, and subscribe. Shoot up in the comment section. You got some value. Go ahead and share your girl out. I think it was really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and put in some. I'm showing you the back of it.
Oh, wait, no, let me just.
Strap back there. There you go. Right, babe, you can show them now. Here we go.
Oh, well.
I love that. I also have this that I'm going to put a little bit. It's lavender oil, so it can give you that nice healthy growth in the hair. Yeah. Ooh, you feeling it going yourself?
Yeah.
Good stuff. Good stuff. You like it?
I just feel like it's going down my scalp.
Feel like it's going down your back?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just good stuff in your hair. Lavender. Really, really, really good for the hair. There we go. There you go. You're welcome, baby girl. I'm gonna get some pictures. Hope you guys like that. I'm gonna put it up on the screen. Yep. See you guys next time. Bye.